this could easily end in disaster. Hey guys, RV Pastor Kevin here. Today we've got kind of a different RV park review because it's really not an RV park that you think of, but it actually is. Today we're going to look at Appalachian Ski Mountain. It's up in Blowing Rock, North Carolina, and of course the attraction there is the ski slopes, the ski area. But what most people don't know is that the parking lot of Appalachian Ski Mountain has RV parking, and they even have 30 amp power hookups in the spots. Also, just as kind of an FYI, the spots are very tight. There's not a place for a campfire. There's not a place for a picnic table, that kind of stuff. So I think if you're gonna campground park at Appalachian Ski Mountain, you probably should plan on staying inside most of the time, with the exception of if you're actually gonna ski. That would be a great thing to do outside. Now, it does cost $20 a night. You have to reserve ahead of time, but that's a perfect place for you to go. And especially if you're going to ski, you can park for $20 and have power. Now, no water or septic that I'm aware of. And certainly you have some awesome park amenities like a great big ski slope and an ice skating rink and all sorts of stuff there. We're going to look at Appalachian Ski Mountain. All right, this is the first ski lift ever ridden by Paxton. Paxton, wave. Patrick, wave. First ski lift ever. Woohoo! What do you think? And there's Mommy back there. There's Appalachian. All right, here we go. All right, first time skiing. Pax, give me a wave.
Hello, bye.
Patrick's over here. And there's Peyton. And there's Mommy. All right, go, Pax. Use your snowplow. And here's Peyton and Mama. Patrick went all the way down, didn't fall. All right, Pay, you're up. You got it, Pay. You do. Just go down there toward where Paxton is. All right, so I'm riding the chairlift right now with my number 3, my third child, my youngest, Paxton August Hampton. We're riding to the top. We're going to the top of this hill. So Pax, what do you think? Are we having fun?
Yeah.
A lot of fun?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite part so far?
The 2 bunnies. And the black diamonds.
You like going down the Black Diamond?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's
all right. Well, here we go. You ready to get off and go skiing some more?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Pax, here we go. Is it good? Give me a thumbs up. This is like the first time we've been on chairlift together, isn't it? Today?
Today, yes.
It's crazy. So we're riding together, and in front of us is Peyton and Paxton riding together. This could easily end in disaster.
We hope not.
We're praying not.
We've prayed a lot. Patrick's just off doing his own thing. Happy as a clam.
Somewhere over there is Patrick, all by himself. Just
Hey Patrick, thinking he might want to know where we are, and he just kind of shyly waved back and got on his chairlift.
that's all he wanted to do. Hey guys, RV Pastor Kevin here. We have skipped a day. We took the day off, took a personal day from work, let the kids skip school. We drove up here on a Tuesday to Appalachian Ski Mountain in Boone, and literally we're like the only people here. And it's the first time the kids have been skiing, and they have just done absolutely phenomenal. I am so proud of them. Me and Mommy have just been kind of trading off between groups of the three. Some stay over on the little bunny hill, and some want to do the bigger stuff. All three Ps have actually done a black diamond today and survived, lived to tell the tale. So we are on our way up to now the top of Appalachian, where there is a 5-foot base, and I think we're going to go around the backside on the blue square and just have some fun. So I'm with Peyton, and Patrick is up in front of me and the chairlift up there, and here we go. All right, ready? Back